Here he comes. He's had a nice time, I think, fishing. And hopefully not too hot. I wonder if he caught any fish. I guess I'll know very soon. Oh, nice ass. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, I don't know if he is coming in. I thought he was for a minute, but maybe he's not. Maybe he's just spotted some more fish. That, where he is where there were flounders the other day. There were also a couple of stingrays, which made me a little nervous when I was swimming. But I was assured by my neighbour that they won't do me any harm. So that made me feel better. Oh yeah, I think he's coming in. Seems to be heading in this direction. We'll see in a few minutes now whether he has any fish or not.